Ever pondered the power of a voice? A voice can convey emotion, tell a story, or even sell a product. But what happens when the voice needed isn't yours to give? You may find yourself in a situation where you need a voice that's different, unique, or even foreign to your own. Scene script. Imagine directing an animated film, but your voice doesn't quite match the character you've created. Or perhaps you're launching a multilingual campaign, but you're missing that authentic accent. The challenge is real, and the solution might seem elusive, but there's a beacon of hope in this sea of voices. Welcome to the world of voice acting, a realm where the voice you need exists, ready to breathe life into your creations. It's a universe teeming with talent, waiting to be discovered. And the bridge connecting you to this universe, that's where Voices comes in. Voices, the leading voice marketplace, has been the go-to platform for professional voice talent since 2005. With over 4 million members, it's a hub of diversity, offering voices in different languages, accents, and tones. Whether it's a soothing voice for a meditation app or a lively one for a children's animation, Voices has it all. But how does it work? Simply post your project, describe the voice you need, and let the magic happen. The platform brings the talent to you, offering free quotes and preset packages. It's effortless, flexible, and secure, with payments facilitated through SurePay TM. Voices isn't just a platform, it's a community. It's a space where voice actors can create profiles, access job opportunities, and grow in their craft. It's a place where creativity meets opportunity and dreams meet reality. So, do you have a story to tell, a product to sell, or a character to bring to life? Don't let the lack of the right voice hold you back. Dive into the universe of voices. Find that perfect voice, convey your message, and let your creation shine. Remember, every voice matters and your voice is waiting to be heard. Start your journey with Voices today, because in the world of voice acting, the voice you need is just a click away. So, don't just imagine the possibilities. Make them a reality. Choose Voices.